Hey there, let's talk payroll taxes. The first thing is, it's always best to use software like FreshBooks when calculating payroll. We live in a modern age. Don't make it more complicated than you need to. I'll help break it down into simple steps. It'll be painless, promise. So what exactly are payroll taxes? Think of them as your business's way of contributing to the bigger picture, funding things like Social Security, Medicare, and public services. As an employer, you handle the heavy lifting by calculating and submitting these deductions on behalf of your employees. This not only keeps them from facing a huge tax bill or juggling estimated payments, but it also helps them stay financially secure. It's about keeping things simple and manageable, a little at a time instead of a lot all at once. These are the key taxes and deductions that come out of an employee's paycheck, and what that means for your business. Federal income tax. This is calculated based on an employee's income and filing status as indicated on their W-4 form. Keeping in mind, the W form determines withholding amounts but requires careful attention to be filled out accurately to avoid over or under withholding. State and local income taxes. If your state charges these, you'll need to withhold them too. SUTA rates, State Unemployment Tax Act, vary significantly by state and employer experience, so make sure you check your local requirements. FICA taxes. These cover Social Security and Medicare. Employees and employers split the total 15.3% evenly, with each contributing 7.65%. Think of it as sharing the cost of keeping the system running. Unemployment taxes. FUTA, Federal Unemployment Tax Act. Taxes are paid solely by employers. Most employers receive a FUTA credit for paying state unemployment taxes, which reduces the amount owed. Other deductions. Think health insurance or 401k contributions. These deductions are designed to support your employees' benefits and future plans. All right, time for some tax math. 1. Start with gross pay. That's the total paycheck before deductions. 2. Withhold federal and state income taxes. Use the W-4 form for guidance, but remember, it's not a guarantee of perfect withholding. Encourage employees to review their W-4s periodically for accuracy. 3. Deduct FICA taxes. Employees pay 7.65% and employers match it. 4. Account for other deductions, things like health insurance or retirement contributions. 5. Subtract everything. The result? Net pay. That's the amount your employee takes home. Here's an example. An employee earning $2,000 gross per paycheck might take home around $1,600 after deductions for taxes, FICA, and other contributions. Now, what about the money you deduct? Think of yourself as a temporary caretaker. That money isn't yours to spend. It's earmarked for the IRS, state tax agencies, or insurance providers. Keep it safe and ready for when it's time to hand over. Payroll tax deadlines. Payroll tax must be deposited with the IRS on a specific schedule, typically monthly or semi-monthly. If the calculations feel like a math test you didn't study for, there's software like FreshBooks Payroll to save the day. It automates your tax calculations and tax filings and gives you unlimited payroll runs, all integrated with your day-to-day bookkeeping. Trust me, your sanity is worth it. There's nothing better than having the calculations done for you. Thanks for tuning in, and if you ever feel stuck, remember, help is just a click away. See you next time. You got this.